Hello and welcome to my channel Paper Knowledge. I'm back with the new Excel spreadsheet. This is about back to school checklist. I have created this checklist to assist students, to assist guardians, and if you are an employee you can also use this checklist just because this is very easy to edit, very easy to manage. All you need to do is just change the title. So if you are an employee you can also use this one. So let's talk about its functionalities. I created this checklist in a very easy way to manage. For example, you have to buy clothing and shoes and you just done the purchasing. So what you do, just hit the X button here and it automatically cut this section. And same case with this. You can also edit these sections. Hope you guys love this checklist, and if you want to buy this, just click in the first comment in the comment section. There you will find my Fiverr profile link and just buy this checklist in $5. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a very good day.